Right, there's a very thin coat of the liquid white, some yellow. We'll go somewhere around here, just fade that out a little bit, straight into the Indian yellow. Yeah, I'm going to have some mountains in this one. We're going to maybe probably have some snow on the mountains. Tapping into the colour there. That's that Indian yellow. Some red down here as well. Into the blue now. Just a touch. A little better have some down here. Go up into that slightly, that's nice. Gonna have to just blend these now, look. Okay, something like that. This is gonna be some water, I'm just very gently blending that. Beautiful colours. So a little bit of dark colour, some black. I'm just gonna use that bit of blue up as well that I put there. Do you put anything on the canvas prior for painting? Some gesso, yeah, so we're going to get some black, some of that blue there. Thank you. Okay, let's just do a few little sort of stringy things here and there. Just some little clouds wherever you want them. Just like to give that sort of distance. I just blend them out very carefully. Can we just lift up on some of them front ones there? Just change the shape of them. Right, okay, so let's go back to that colour. We're going to do some mountain shapes. Let's just go wherever the hand takes us. Let's start here. We'll put just the outlines that we're concerned about at this point. Something like that. Go somewhere like this. Just by scratching in a little bit there. We can just pull that out and make that distant. I'm good, thank you. Nice to see you here. Because you're going to use your brush that I started with, okay? And we're just going to pull all this colour down now. Just pull all that colour down. Making sure all them little holes in the canvas are covered. That way and then that way. Let's go right in between them colours and just put sort of marbly, sort of not much yellow in there. There's hardly anything. It'll probably still look white to you guys, but okay, let's do this. That bit there. I'm going to bring that one down a little bit there. That's nice. That was a quick one, wasn't it, eh? I want to see some snow on this. Let's just bring this one round, but that's a big mountain coming up in front now. Look, that's changed so much. And I'm going to join that one up there. I think I'm going to go something like that. Let's see if this is light enough or dark enough. Cut across. We can join them together. They're now together. Change my mind there. They're sort of now together. And then we're going to bring some of this mist up the mountain there. The more you do that, the more mist you get up the top there. Might do some little tree lines going up the side of the mountain. Could probably use this colour here. And let's just see what this colour looks like. Let's just follow one of these round. Oh no, let's pick one of these out. But I want to start over the back, so we could come around here. Just pick out this. do something like that, I suppose. Just put some colour there and lift up. What did everyone have for dinner? I'm going to lift up here, and this should make lots of little trees in the distance. I'm starting from the back and working my way forwards. Really misting that out. It's like a little line of trees going up there. What do you think to that? There we go. Don't forget, if you haven't already, come and follow me on YouTube. Every live stream gets put up there. Check out the link in my profile. Link underneath my profile picture takes you to everywhere. Thank you. Okay, just going to blend this off as well. Blending trees. Okay, just tapping that in there. You can bring that mist up quite close to the top if you wanted to. Okay, happy with that. Just a gentle little blend there. There's a small little water line that goes around here. See, that's now just by adding that little water line in. You can kind of make out that that's water just from doing that. It's quite crazy, really. There you go. That'll help with a little bit of distance, I think. I'm going to pull that down, that colour. Swipe across. Some little bushy things. Do we want to see some of that mist there? I think so. Got two lots of green here. Just show you. Gonna try them. Lighter and darker. Well, I'm just going to put some dark in first. I want some green here. Might even make this bit into a bit of grass. No, we'll see. I don't know. Okay. There we go. Here, we're going to put a nice little tree in here. I think one should live here. We'll just put him in there, bring him down to sort of the front area. Just a little tree that lives there. There. Yeah, we're going to put some little highlights and stuff on him. We have him coming right down here, there. We can, might be able to just see a thing. Bush that lives there. Nick a little bit of red. Thin it down a little bit. Number 294. Wow, 6 away for 300. There we go, that's all done.